Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Love to have you. If you're new, hi, my name is Karina, also known as OhMGlashes, and if you're not new, then welcome back. So today's video is all about feminine hygiene. This is my updated 2023 version. I figured that today we are going to put it all together. The times that I've done videos like this, I usually do like a body hygiene, like body wash, things like that. But today I'm literally gonna give you a breakdown on everything starting from my hair all the way down to my toes, girl. So I have a ton of products in front of me. I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I'm not gonna dive too deep into the products because I don't want this video to be too long. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito. I'm being a little bit naughty today. I've been filming so much, so my hubby went and got me some Coke. So I am drinking Coke today. Let's dive into hair. I think this is the healthiest my hair has ever been. So let me start off with a product that I discovered a few months back that has literally changed not only the texture of my hair, but the way it looks and the way that I actually want to style it. I discovered this Brazilian straightening kit with keratin and hyaluronic acid, okay? This is the second time I've done this keratin treatment, which is this one right here. Your hair is not only so silky and soft, but it also tames the frizz and it'll tame your curls. It won't straighten your hair, but it will kind of like tame down the curls, which is for me what I like the most because again, I naturally have curly hair. I've been loving this product. This is, like I mentioned, the second time that I've used it, and even though it is very time consuming, it takes me about 3 hours to do it on my hair. I love it every single time. I love the results. I love how my hair feels. I don't have to worry about doing this and that and this and that to my hair. Wanted to mention that really quick. And then for my shampoo, this is a shampoo that I bought not too long, actually a while ago. I'm pretty close to running out. This is the Pureology Hydrate Shampoo. This one is $36, which is very expensive. Not me being bougie. This is the first time I've ever bought like an expensive shampoo like this, but I've heard so many great reviews. It's very hydrating to the hair. It doesn't strip my hair, and the best thing is that it is sulfate free. When you have the keratin treatment, you do have to make sure that you're using maybe not a vegan, but something that doesn't have sulfate in it, because otherwise your keratin treatment won't last long. It'll last me about 3 months ish, maybe close to 4 months. And that's because I use a sulfate-free shampoo. So I love this shampoo. It gives me so much shine. My hair feels very soft, very manageable. Sometimes I don't even need to go in with a conditioner. I do only wash my hair about once to twice a week because I naturally have a drier scalp, being naturally curly headed girl. So with that said, I have best hair masks to share with you guys. This one right here is the first one that I ever tried. Excuse me, the first one I ever tried. This is called the Keratin Hair Mask Organic 100% Natural. When I read the ingredients in this, I almost couldn't believe that it was so real. So just to give you an example, the ingredients, the first one is water. Second ingredient is keratin, argan oil, coconut oil, shea butter, rosehip seed oil, vegetable protein, almond oil, vitamin E, vitamin B5, jojoba seed oil. And if you can't tell, I am pretty much out of this product. The only thing is that this is one of those things that you kind of leave in the shower for a few minutes. So I like to wash my hair, and then that same week I will do like a full body treatment, and I'll wring my hair out as much as I can. Excuse me, I'll apply the hair mask, especially to like mid ends, and then I'll pin it up and leave it on for about 8 minutes while I, wash my face, brush my teeth, do my whole body care routine, which leads me to the second hair mask. I think now that I've tried this one, I like it a little bit more than this one. So this is the Arvazilia Hydrating Argan Oil Mask. So this is a deep conditioning and hydrating hair mask for softer, silkier, and healthier looking hair. Oh my goodness, this stuff, it smells so good. And as you can see, I've also I've also used quite a bit of it. This one goes a very long way. Now, this one, once I finish, doing my whole shower routine, I do get out of the shower, put my hair up in a towel, let the water kind of like run out of my hair for a little bit, and then I will go in with the hair mask. This one, I leave it on for 10-15 minutes, and then I will just wash my hair out. Your hair will feel so soft. I promise you, you cannot go wrong with this hair mask. All of these products will be linked down below, and the best thing is that both of these hair masks are under $12. I want to say super affordable. So that is pretty much everything as far as in the shower. Now when I get out of the shower, I do like to use several things. For example, there's days that I either shower too late or I'm in a rush and I don't have time to do a hair mask. Then I need to make sure that my hair is not knotted or anything. So the leave-in conditioner that I love is the Kristen S Weightless Shine leave-in conditioner. This one is also really good for detangling. It really makes your hair soft. So if you have kids or girls that have super curly hair, this is a really good product. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like all of her line smells so good. You can find this at Target, and it makes your hair so soft, so silky, so shiny. It doesn't weigh it down, which is probably my favorite thing. If you have curly hair, you can use this in your curly hair routine, and it'll really add bounce and shininess to your curls. So I'll use this one. And then the one product that I love to use is the Color Wow Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish. This is for frizz control, and it also works as a UV protectant. This stuff is so good. So if you're looking for something that will really smooth the ends and tame your frizz, this is it. After shampooing my hair, I will go in and wash my face. Usually I will wash my face in the shower since I wash my body every night. So starting off with makeup cleansers, I do a double cleanse. I do have a skincare routine that I can leave up in case you guys are interested in watching it. It's like my nighttime skincare routine. But currently I am trying to finish the Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. This is a really good product if you are looking for something that's gentle on the skin, that won't clog your pores, and that will really melt into your skin and just like remove all the makeup. This is it. Like as you can see, I am almost out of this because it is that good. A little goes a very long way. It's such an oily, creamy texture that it just melts everything. It doesn't irritate my skin, it doesn't irritate my eyes, and it works amazing. So I will go in with this first, and then I will wash my face with water, and it turns into this like milky like texture. And the best thing is that you don't feel that like super heavy, greasy residue on your skin that a lot of other cleansing balms can leave, which is why it's like my favorite. So after I do that, I will obviously wash my face. Right now I'm switching between two cleansers, and that's because I am almost out of this one. So this is the CeraVe Renewing Essay Cleanser. So the reason why I got this one was because a few months back I was really going through this like textured face, which I know it's really normal, and trust me, I know that. But being a beauty influencer, like my face is all you guys see. So for me, it's really important to take care of my skin and making sure that it looks the best that it possibly humanly can. And so I was really going through it, and I was so confused, and I didn't know why. And I think it's because my skin was really congested and it needed a really good cleanser, and I found this one. After I wash my face, I will go in with my routine. Again, I have done my routine before, but I'm just quickly going to show you the products that I use all the time. Literally, I am so close to running out. So I will go in with my niacinamide and zinc. This is by the brand Ordinary. I highly recommend this to anybody that is suffering from acne, large pores, and oily skin, and uneven texture. Great products. And then after that, I will just kind of like let it sink in, and then I will use either like a thermal water spray, or I will just kind of like get my face a little bit damp, and I will go in with hyaluronic acid. These two together are a power couple, you guys. Obviously, hyaluronic acid is great for hydrating the skin. Even if you're oily, listen to me, you need to be hydrating your skin. Just because we have oil doesn't mean that it doesn't need to be hydrated. So please, please, please use something like hyaluronic acid or something like that. And then after that, I will use my moisturizer, which I forgot to bring. So I will owe you that one. But I wanted to mention a product that has also made a huge difference on my skin. This is the Peach and Lily Retinol for All Renewing Serum. This one is retinol, which is one of the most powerful retinols. This is such a great product for anti-aging, texture, uneven skin, if you have blemishes, things like that. It is so good. And the best part is that it is gentle enough for sensitive skin. So if you're wanting to get into retinols, which I highly recommend if you are in your mid-20s, don't sleep on retinols. They are going to change your skin. Whew, that was a lot of information, but that is my skincare. So we gotta look good. We gotta, keep the face looking young as possible. Moving along, let's see. So right now for my body wash. Okay, so for the lady parts down there, I keep it very simple. All I use is the Dove sensitive soap. That's all I use for my lady parts. For my body wash, your girl's a little extra. I have so many body washes. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm not even gonna go into that. But I will be sharing with you my current favorite body wash that I actually just run out of, and I didn't think of making or filming this video, so I did throw it out, but I have the lotion. So for my body wash, I was gifted this back in March for my birthday. Shout out to my friend Sam. She gifted this to me and I was like, oh, this is the best thing ever. This is the Bath & Body Pure Wonder Daily Nourishing Body Lotion. Let me tell you that this makes you smell like you have $1 million in your bank account, okay? This smells so good. Every time I spray this, my husband is always like all over me. He loves the way it smells. Even my daughter, she's like, Mom, you smell so good. I use the body wash. I use, plain loofah, and then I will get out of the shower and use my body lotion. For sugar scrubs, I do use a sugar scrub. I'm not like crazy over sugar scrubs, but I do use them, and I keep it very, very simple. The one that I'm using right now is the Tree Hut Bikini Reef. This one smells really good. It's like the perfect summer scent. Like, this is a tropical scent in a scrub. It smells really good. I haven't tried very many brands, so I can't compare it to anything else. But I think it gets the job done. If you have ingrown hairs, strawberry legs, things like that, definitely using a sugar scrub is going to help get rid of all that excess dead skin. And then I always keep one of these. This is for my feet because I'm not trying to have no corn on my feet, nothing like that. So I use this to just, scrape away all the dead skin. And because your skin is wet, it makes it so much easier. So I keep this in my shower, and I always, always, always use it on my feet. Keeps my feet super soft for the summer. After all is said and done, I love to go in and use a deodorant. Now, I've talked about this in the past, and I am not ashamed. I have always struggled with BO under my pits, and it's embarrassing, of course. And I don't necessarily get sweaty pits, but I have noticed that when I do use the Lumi deodorant, it doesn't help with perspiration. It just helps with the smell. So if you're looking for a deodorant that will really block the odor from your underarms, this is it. But one that I've been trying recently is the Unlimited by Degree. I actually don't even know if this is for women or men. I don't even think it matters. But this is a dry spray, and I not only love the way this smells, but this actually really keeps me dry, and it doesn't make me stinky, which is the best part. So yeah, I've been really loving this. Now, as far as perfumes, as you can see from the back, I have way too many to share them all with you guys, but the one that I've been wearing a ton lately, and when I wear this concoction, I get so many compliments, and this actually went viral on TikTok. So I go in with the Sol de Janeiro Beija Flor. It smells so delicious, you guys. And if you know the Bum Bum Cream, like all that stuff, this stuff works amazing. Chef's kiss. And then this is the body spray that I pair it with, the Brazilian Crush 68. little body spray. Oh my gosh, this stuff smells delicious, you guys. Okay, now if you want to make it extra, get the Burberry Her perfume. Everybody loves this perfume. My husband got it for me for, I think, Mother's Day. These three together, girl, run and get that set, because trust me, it's delicious. So that is it, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. I am thirsty now. I need to take a sip of my soda, but that is everything. These are my staple hygiene products. This is what I've been using this year for 2023. I love smelling good. It makes me feel good. It just makes me feel confident, and I want you guys to smell good. So I hope I put you on some good products. I hope you jotted some down. I hope you buy these, or I hope they're on your wish list, because you deserve to smell good too. Okay, so on that note, I'm gonna head out. I have a lot of work to do, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.